What's up, guys? Today we will talk about if you guys can cancel order on Binance. Well, yes, you can, but you can only cancel a P2P order. You won't be able to cancel the other order where you are paying using a credit or debit card. So, how can you cancel it? So, in order to cancel a P2P order, you just have to go to your order history. In the order history, you'll be able to find your order that you have created and it is pending. Just tap on cancel. Once you tap on cancel, they will want you to select the reason why you want to cancel it. Just select the right reason for the cancellation and then tap on confirm cancellation. Once you do that, they will send the same thing to the other person or the other side. Once they do that, if it's up to them if they accept it or reject it. If they accept it, your order will be cancelled and you won't have any effect on your transaction. However, if they reject it, you might have to prove them that why you want to cancel it. If you were able to prove them right, they will be able to cancel it for you. The Binance will be able to cancel it for you. However, if you couldn't prove it right, you might have to complete the transaction. So that's pretty much it. That's what you guys can do. Hope you guys find this video helpful.